Now we are going to transfer this solution to the separatory funnel. How do we use the separatory funnel? Notice that there is a stop cock attached to the separatory funnel. The way it is now, that is parallel to the stem of the separatory funnel is open, which means when you pour the solution will go through the stem of the separatory funnel. However, when you want to stop it, what you want to do is turn the stopcock so that it is perpendicular to the stem of the separatory funnel. Then the liquid inside the separatory funnel will stay in the separatory funnel. So let us have it in the closed position to begin with. And always the stem of the separatory funnel should be slightly inside the container in which you are going to collect the liquid. Now here is the stopper for the separatory funnel. As I said, anytime I take the stopper out of the separatory funnel, I would like to place it on a piece of kimchi. Now to transfer the solution, you want to use a glass funnel. Place the glass funnel carefully on the separatory funnel. Take the beaker in which you prepared the solution and pour the solution. Now we are going to rinse this beaker with two 10 ml portions of ethyl acetate. So let us pour 10 milliliters of ethyl acetate. Again, approximately about 9-11, that is fine. Now pour this ethyl acetate into the beaker. In fact, to do an effective rinsing, you may want to pour it along all sides of the beaker in which you prepared the solution. Swirl the beaker again to ensure rinsing. Now pour the rinsing using the glass rod through the funnel into the separatory funnel. Let us do a second rinsing. Second 10 ml portion, that is what is meant by two 10 ml portions of ethyl acetate to rinse the beaker. Swirl. This time you notice that when I am pouring this rinsing, I am going to pour it along the sides of the funnel to ensure that the funnel also is rinsed well. If you are not certain that you have rinsed the beaker completely thoroughly, there is no harm in taking a dropper full of ethyl acetate and rinsing it again and pour the rinsing. Okay. Once we have finished rinsing the beaker, if you want to rinse the funnel one more time with a milliliter or so of ethyl acetate, please do it. Notice that when I was rinsing it with this dropper full of ethyl acetate, the tip of the dropper never touched the surface of the funnel. It is very important that this tip does not touch the surface of the funnel. Otherwise, when you insert the dropper in the container of the solvent, you're going to contaminate your solvent here. In case it happens that you touch the surface, then please get a fresh pipette to use in this solvent container that you have. Now that we have finished taking as much ethyl acetate as we want, we should keep this covered. But however, if you notice carefully, the tip of the funnel is sitting in the solution. Because the tip of the funnel is sitting in the solution, when I take it out, I may lose a drop or two of this solution. So what I would like to do is, again take a dropper full of the solvent, hold the funnel high up and squirt some ethyl acetate to rinse whatever solution was sticking on to the stem of the funnel. Now I have ensured that I have rinsed it thoroughly and I have not lost any of the compound. Now that we have transferred our solution into the separatory funnel, I don't need the funnel which I used to transfer the solution. So let us put that funnel away. We will clean that later. And I also don't need the beaker in which I prepared the solution. So we will get all the glassware that we do not need anymore out of our way so we can work more efficiently.